Hey everybody! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this really big nail polish bottle with slime in it. I'm going to start off by showing you how to make the bottle, and for that you are going to need an empty bottle, paint, aluminum foil, clay and glue, a wooden stick, a dotting tool and also some glaze. You can start off by taking your empty bottle and also take out some aluminum foil, and you can fold it several times to create a long aluminum foil strip. And you can then wrap it around the bottle lid. And once it is all around the bottle, you can press it with your hands to make it stick together a little bit better. Then you can take one more piece of aluminum foil and cover the entire lid with it. And then you should be able to take off the foil. And next I am taking some clay. I am using Sculpey here, but you could use other brands or types of clay if you want to. I am flattening it out and I am then cutting it off in one of the ends. And you can then wrap it around the bottle. And then you can cut off the extra clay and smooth it out with your fingers. And you can then trim off any clay that might be left over at the top. And then you can take some more clay and cut out a circle and make it the right size. And then you can put it on the top of the lid. And once the lid is ready, you can take it off and bake it. And next I'm going to give some color to the bottle, and to do that I am pouring some paint into it. And you can then rotate it and tap on it to make sure that the paint covers the entire inside of the bottle. And once your lid has finished baking, you can use some glue to put it on the actual bottle. And you can then use some glaze if you want to give it a more shiny finish. Next I'm going to do the nail polish brush, and to do that I am taking a wooden stick and I am measuring out how long I want it to be. You can then cut it off and wrap some clay around one of the ends and then shape it into a brush. You can also use a knife if you want to give it some texture. You can then bake the brush, and once it has finished baking you can paint it in the same color that you painted the bottle. And you can then glue the brush onto the lid. And if you want to, you can also add some details like a label or a face. I decided to make a face, so here I'm using craft paint and a dotting tool to paint it on. And now it is time for the slime. The recipe that I used here was about 4 tablespoons of glue, and make sure that it contains PVA. Then I added about 3 pinches of baking soda. And once all of that was mixed together, I added shaving cream. And then I mixed it all again. And then you can add some paint or food coloring until you get the right color. And then you can add some lens solution until it is no longer sticky. And now you are done with your slime, and then you can put it inside the bottle, and it now looks like a giant nail polish bottle with slime in it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more slime videos, you can let me know in the comments. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!